Let me find my ingredients. There we go. Get some of that and stuff like that. And it's time to mix it together. You're doing great, Pearl. Thanks. All right, I got this. All right, that's in the oven at 350 degrees. Whew, that's hot. And then there. Is it on the chair? Here it is. Oh no! I'm gonna need to make another batch. Ugh, all these setbacks. Ouch. All right, make a new batch. All right. Tastes good. And take the cake out of the oven. Frosting on it. Ugh. There's the cake! 10, 9. Oh no, I better hurry to get the last finishes done. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cut up your cake and bring us some slices. I hope it tastes good. Nothing like milk with cake. Except popcorn. All right, let's try the cake and see if it passes the test. You did great job, Pearl. That's right. You win! Even though it's no one going against you. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh yeah. Really excited. What do I win? Oh, right. What do you win? Is it like money or cupcakes or something? Oh yes. You win all the Play-Doh cans a Barbie can carry. You have purple, pink, yellow, orange, green, and red. And each one completely full of as much Play-Doh as your head. And each one. Yay! I can play with Play-Doh for hours. This is gonna be awesome. I wouldn't recommend to stand that close to it.